What's up guys, it's Akbar here, and in this video about how to build your wealth in your teens. But before watching this video, you should understand when you're under 18, there is always so much things what you can do, and it's so important to understand and work with these parameters to make most of it. There is a lot you can do right now with absolutely no risk whatsoever to begin building your wealth and setting yourself on the right way. So the first, everyone asks me how they can be successful or what they should do as a teenager. I always give them exact same advice. Before you do anything, go and read these books. One is Think and Grow Rich. Two is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Go and finish these books and get back to me. And believe me, when I'm giving this advice, almost no one does it. It's such a shame. Because I really believe if you want to build your wealth at any age, the first you need to understand that these books, it's about the mindset of someone who is successful. I know it sounds nerdy or your grandpa telling you something, but I really believe that's true. You're not going to be successful until you learn how to believe in your abilities and opportunities and how to work and collaborate with other people. The entire process is really simple and it gives you mental blueprint to achieve anything you want, and it also breaks down everything successful people do and makes them successful. Not only that, but it shows you how you can manifest everything around you through your thoughts, which then leads you action, which then leads you results. The same thing also apply for how to win friends and influence people, except these books focus on how you can improve your interpersonal relationship, life and business, how to work with people to get them on your side. Because it's reality, if you want to make a lot of money and build your wealth, you're going to have to learn how to communicate and interact with other people. This book also goes into all details. So secondly, if you want to build your wealth as a teenager and you know there is no other way around it, you got to start making money right now. After all, you cannot be a rich guy who drives Lambo without having any money. So the first, you should figure out how you're gonna do it and which direction you're gonna take. If you don't know what you want to do in your life and don't know which way you're gonna take, you should research as much as you can without spending a single dollar. This part should be absolutely free. Honestly, you should know how to use Google and YouTube. All you need to find information, that's it. And please, don't believe that guys who telling you buy this course by $20 or buy these things for $100 and I'm gonna show you how to make money $1,000 per day. Come on guys, I believe as much as longer you have access on internet, you can find any information for free. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it as always. If you're not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe.